Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Thank you for joining us here at Throttle. I'm Mickey, and this is Ricky. And today we're actually going to be taking our BMW E92 that you guys have seen Ricky and I wide body, using a Street Fighter LA body kit and a bunch of Bondo products. If you haven't already seen that, go check out our last video. Now let's get over to SOS.
The kit looks great though. Just imagine this with super wide wheels and a lot lower. Let's see, maybe I can, let's try something right now. Let's go ahead and Photoshop that right there. One other thing that we did off camera, I had my buddy come and we reset the DSC system, and we were able to clear pretty much every code that we had on the car with the exception of one light bulb code. But now everything works. Even lower this down, the brake's off, I plug my seatbelt in, boom, our dash is clear. What an amazing feeling. Everything works now on the inside. We are still waiting on our shift boots here. At this point, I think we're ready to take this thing to the paint shop. We've got to get some wide wheels and tires on order ASAP, and I have been kind of hoarding some of the parts. We've got a lot of good parts in the shop now. We've got coilovers, we've got a lot of performance stuff, but we're not going to show you guys just yet. So you're going to have to wait until after it comes back from the paint shop to see that. I think the next thing to do is drop this thing off at the paint shop. So we're getting close. I'm getting excited. Here we go.
All right, Oscar, well, here's our BMW. What do you think? How bad is it?
I don't know, I think maybe just because it doesn't have wheels, this thing looks
It looks like
funky.
a UFO.
It looks funky, man.
It's our spaceship.
So, what's the color plans on this?
Yeah, well, we have a plan, but we can't tell anybody, so
Okay.
we do want to, well, I don't know if I should tell them the plans for the hood yet. I'll talk to you about that off the record, but we've got a front lip that needs to be modified, so that's where you guys are going to be able to flex their muscles a little bit and show us what they're capable of. You guys just have to do all the fancy work now. Let me ask you a question. Do you like it when we bring you cars already started, or would you rather do it start to finish?
You know what? It just makes it a little bit easier because you don't have to do this portion. I'm sure like once we take it off, I'm gonna have to kind of go over it.
There's some stuff, yeah.
But it saves us maybe the day is worth the work, so that helps.
Okay, that's good. It saves you a day, but it took Ricky and I 4, so. Yeah. Maybe we should just be bringing it here, I don't know. And don't forget, we have a carbon fiber roof that's gonna be going on here. Oh, and a lot of these moldings are getting replaced, so like all around the glass, and
Clean this up, huh?
we cleaned it up a lot. It was really bad when we got it. The headliner I did myself.
Check out your headline.
Let's see what you think. Grade me.
Oh,
Grade me, bro. I'm curious to see what you think.
no pillars, huh?
No, we didn't do the pillars because we were able to find black ones from Straight 6 Auto Dismantling. Can I work here, bro?
You can work here, bro. I told you this.
Hey, all right, that's good.
That's good. That's a good install right there, man.
It's time for us, actually, it's time for Oscar to reveal the Evo to us because Ricky and I have not seen the paint color yet. We picked it out, but we haven't seen it on the car, which is pretty interesting. Oh, look at that little banner. Shout out to all of our military. So you brought us back here for no reason. Are you blue us right now, bro?
Want to see one of my really bad financial mistakes I made right now?
Yeah.
I turned 30 yesterday, so I bought a 30-year-old car.
Bro.
Oh, did you?
This is not a bad financial decision.
No, it's not.
This is that Honda life, bro. She's a little rough. You say financial mistake, but I know that what you can do with one of these things, so.
You gotta show me what.
Yeah, I'm curious. I see an intercooler. I see a, oh, K-swap, all right.
Hey.
It gets a thumbs up for me. What about you, Ricky?
This is one of my favorite Hondas.
Yeah, me too.
When I was 13, I lived in Mira Mesa, which is like a high street racing community.
Oh yeah.
And this was one of the cars that I always saw out there. My brother used to take me street racing, and I was like only 12, 13. And he had a freaking WRX.
Okay.
Which back then was fast. Like he would give people 2-3 car links, still pull on them, you know.
wow.
And I remember there was this one guy with the CRX. He had a H22 on the bottom. And that guy was smoking everything.
On the big block, baby.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
I hear it.
You do?
Yeah, I hear it.
Well, that means the battery's not dead, so that's good.
Wait, is that our car? Wait, you can't see.
Is it a Sebring? Did they turn our Evo into a Sebring? All right, well, Ricky and I have our backs turned. The camera can actually see the car, but I don't want to see it yet. Oscar wanted us to close our eyes. So we're gonna close our eyes. We're gonna do this the right way. I'm trying to cheat right now, but I can't.
Don't stop me.
All right. Dude, look at the flake in that thing. Oh, dude. It looks bonkers. Dude, the black grill. I don't care what you say, Oscar. That was the right call.
It looks so good, dude.
Oh, the throttle logo on the intercooler. Dude, the bodywork turned out epic. Gotta get our canards back on there. I love the painted wing ends with the carbon center. Dude, you guys crushed it once again. This is why we keep bringing cars back here. All right, hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
I want to see how this grill turned out. I'm glad we kept the grill work in here. Yeah, nailed it. They even did the core support. Yeah, baby. This is a whole different car now.
I was not expecting the what is the flakes? The flakes of the pearl out
Yeah.
of it? That's insane.
So this is Mitsubishi Blue Bayou is the original color
right, but modified.
with the old SOS/throtl touch, which
that looks really good.
is sort of becoming a thing these days.
Yeah.
So we might have to get a little crafty with the BMW, eh? So the original color is here, and the new color is here. So when you see them side by side, you don't really even notice until the sun really hits it and you catch that flake. Well, then. So our battery died while the car was here at the body shop, and so we're having to jump it to get it started before we replace it with an Optima battery. Ricky just stalled, and
I did not.
now we're stuck here.
I guess I did stall, but
Now we're stuck here at SOS, and we're never gonna get to go home.
Evo's back. Yo! Dude, the flake is sick. I did not know it was gonna have that much flake. So, total coincidence, these just came in today. Look at the new stickers
Oh, hell
for
yeah.
the Evo drive.
Look at the flake
Look
in
at the
it.
flake in that.
oh snap! That's
Right.
crazy.
Wow.
That's so sick.
He looks so good in one color with the wing. Yes, dude, I love this touch too. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the car. The black, the satin black and the satin black roof looks sick. What happened to my decal that was on the side?
Yeah, where's the pizza decal? The pizza decal. Style pizza?
I didn't see it.
Sweet, we look like we're delivering pizzas. Oh, I took that off before we left the track. Coerced into using fluoro as an accent hit on a car. The blue with the fluoro orange. Ooh, it's good.
Bro, that is what this car needed.
Yeah, just wait. There's more coming.
wait. We need to change this, bro.
Oh yeah, we got a new one.
Oh yeah, which one?
Let's do that.
Let's go get them.
All right, well, we had the red on red key tag on the car. I think we got to make a decision here. We have blue on blue, fluoro orange with black, and black with orange. My vote is the fluoro orange with black. What do you think?
My vote's the middle one too.
What about you, Victor?
Yeah, the middle one for sure.
Dude, it'll look so sick with the shift knot next to it.
All right, these are double sided. These are pretty sick. All right, well, these will be saved for another day. We're gonna throw the fluoro on. There she is.
And you gotta put it in the ignition. Let it dangle.
All right, we got some Garage Alpha bits that I've been holding on to for a couple weeks. This is our titanium prop rod that's been heated and put some color into, which is pretty cool.
That is so sick.
I love Garage Alpha because they make a lot of really cool titanium products and a lot of specialty products for a lot of these old chassis.
You see it here and it looks so heavy. It looks heavy.
It does look heavy.
But it doesn't weigh anything. It's so light.
We also picked up 6 strut top nuts for our coilovers, which will go here.
These nuts are really nice.
These nuts are the finest nuts. So we'll toss those on. All right, well, we're gonna pop off these C West mirrors. SOS mentioned that basically the top coat on them is pretty bad. So we're gonna actually pull these off and save these for another project. I was pretty keen on running them because of all the other C West bits on here. But we were able to source a set of carbon rally spec lights from RPG Carbon. And we're gonna replace these with those. I think it'll be a little bit of a cooler, more like street look for the car than these pedestal motorcycle style mirrors. So we're gonna toss those on, see how they look.
It does look like it's going fast. It looks like it's going fast while it's sitting still, which is kind of funny. You're right, it does set off the hood. It makes the hood look.
RPG Carbon mirrors, styling. And these are sort of a very Evo variation of the Subaru RPG mirrors, rally spec mirrors that we put on the Subaru STI that we gave away. These ones are more round, and I think I actually like the styling a little better on these. Now, we're gonna have to go for a drive and see how the vision is out of them, because anytime you go to a smaller, more compact mirror, sometimes the line of sight isn't as good, but only time will tell. Back at the wheels. Turned out really sick. This is exactly the color we were after. So it's kind of a smoky gray color. I think it's going to really contrast good against the blue on the Evo, as well as the accent colors that we're going to be tossing on. My hat here might kind of give you a hint at where we're headed with this. all the mods we have for this episode. And we've got a parts room full of parts just waiting to go on this thing. So, the next video is gonna be pretty epic. If you guys don't subscribe, do so. Turn on those notifications. Leave us some comments down below, maybe what you want to see us do to this car. We'll take it into consideration, right?
Yes.
We'll see you guys in the next one. So
How about that meme I sent you that one day?
oh boy. I don't even want to know.
Do not follow these guys' personal breaking.
Oh, I follow it.
How about this, huh?
Yeah, that's a nice upgrade. Little dustless blasting. You're using glass media. You keep doing all these old hot rods, you're gonna be finding a lot of rust.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe even cappuccinos.
Hey, they're still coming.
Every time we finish a hot rod build, I'm like, bro, no.
Never again.
Again, what happened?
Boom.
Hey bro, where'd you find this chassis? On the East Coast. I'm out. This thing is sick. I see it here once in a while, so I know you guys must have been doing some more work on it as well. Volks, wagon life. Gotta love it. I love mid-wings too. Mid-wings are a sweet spot for me. A lot of people don't like mid-wings. I love them. Top wing.
The perfect SCI.
Dang.
Oh, that's dope.
Sueded out the interior.
Air lift in there.
Did his headliner. Did you guys do all that?
No.
No, he did it?
No, I think
Dang.
if I had a Subaru wagon, this is what it would
This is
look
it, huh?
like. This is what it would look like.
I like it. I know Victor will like this.
Yep.